Gatho muno ni undu wa gucoka. It is a sad week, a sad morning, thutha wa Akenya gutungwo ni ndeto yake hakinene egi one prominent politician uria wakorwo agite muoyo wake ni undu wa road accident, and another prominent person gukorwo akiri involved na road accident, though ahonoka ciarera. Morara Kebaso, who is well known guku online ni undu wa criticize the thirikari ya President William Ruto, was involved in a road accident along Meru Tharaka Nithi Road in Tharaka Nithi County. Though he survived that accident, Kona, he informed his followers about what happened. Also a prominent politician akorirwo agite moyo wake thutha wa ngari yake gukorwo ikigutha lorry from behind, na thutha ucio ngari iyo yagikorwo igiakana mwaki, killing occupants. Nominated MCA wa Kiambu County Ezra Mbugua Kihara ni woteire moyo wake kuitukira mutino ucio muru wa farafara over the weekend. The politician is no more. He lost his life ni undu wa that road accident. President William Ruto, fellow politicians and fellow leaders joined President Ruto gushakaya gikuo kia Honorable Ezra Kihara, nominated MCA Kiambu County, who lost his life thutha wa ngari iri kumukuite gukorwo ikigutha lorry from behind, na thutha ucio ngari iyo yakorwo ikimuda mwaki, killing the occupants, and unfortunately he passed on. Tugathi na mbere na gutuma pole citu kuria ikari a Kiambu County, family yake na arata handu hothe makire thiini wa bururi uyu. Ngikwendithiria kiumia kiega. Make sure ni turn on your notification oga subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ukamukira video citu. Tucemanie na wa next one.